can ride this though, a superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride this though, a superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, superfly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco. We can ride.
We got this in today. It is the SC2s, and we are planning on putting it here underneath the bull bar. But first, we're gonna see and check to see if this works. So right now, we're checking to see if it works. We're putting the yellow and the red wire together, and we're now placing the black wire in the black wire. So we got the wire connected, and we're checking to see if it works, and it works perfectly. And now we're gonna see how the ember part looks like. Have the blue and black wire connected, and this is how it looks like. We were planning on putting 3 brackets here, but we tried putting it here in the center where the worn winch is, and unfortunately, where is the light? So we could show them the, oh, there. So unfortunately, this light here does not fit.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like sticking out, and it's not gonna fit.
Yeah.
So it could only fit here, and it could fit there. Yeah, it doesn't want to fit because this piece right here is pretty long. We already installed the bracket, so we just basically a screw there and another screw, or what's this, a locking nut?
Yeah.
Right there. So far we have everything hand tight, but this is how the brackets look like. We have this one for the bull bar, and then we have this bracket connecting to the lights, and it's just a screw there and a screw here and a locking nut right there. So we're now doing the other side.
Yeah.
We already got this side in. We just gotta work on the
Wiring part.
Wiring part. So we're just slightly push this in. There you go.
We just added some tape here so
it won't scratch it up.
And then we removed the tape and then we assembled the rest of it.
We are going to put this piece in there, and then here's the tools with it. So we are now going to put this piece together.
Yeah, they supply a long screw.
Yep.
So you just put it in.
And then we have this locking nut right here. We're just going to put that there. So we're gonna screw it in, and then we're gonna tighten it later, because right now we have to measure it to see if it's even or not. So we're putting this screw in the other bracket with a washer and a locking washer, and it's going to go underneath right there. We now have the long screw that we're going to put inside the bracket. So we're now putting the locking nut right there. This is how our new light system is going to look like. It actually adds more character now. And it's not overly done. It still looks nice and clean. Getting ready to use the blue wire and the black wire. We just finished cutting our wires for our length, and we're hoping this is more than long enough. We are crimping this. Is that what you call it? And we are now wrapping it, or she's now wrapping it in electrical tape. Okay, we finished fully connecting the wires to this light right here, and we're going to see if it works. Oh, it works. So we're now in this light, and we are checking to see if our wirings is going to work. Oh, there you go. So we are going to try all of them now. There you go. Nice. We're working on the last wire. We are connecting it to the trigger 6 switch wire. We temporarily have the wirings attached now to the trigger 6 switch, and we place it in number 6. So we're going to press number 6. There you go. And there you go. Right there. So we started the Bronco, and this is how it looks like when the lights are off. All right, let's turn it on.
We can ride looking like a super fly disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco, and we can ride looking like a super fly disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Oh yeah, can you turn on the fog light? There you go. So the fog light is more yellowish than the amber light. Wow, this is our first time off-roading our new wide body kit.
Yeah.
And also first time off-roading with our seats.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Just maintain that. It's gonna be slippery. Go. You got this. You got this. Just go. Hold on, hold on. There. Traction on your front. Just go. Hold on. Go back. We will try this way, okay? You would have to go climb this way. Yeah. No, that not too much, okay? Not too much. Just go your straight. You're off camber. Back it up. This part is too slippery. You would have to try this way. Straight. Just scroll it. Straight. Straight your wheels. Straight it. Straight. There. Just you have to just there. You got this. Just straight, 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 straight.
We can fly disco, then you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco, and we can ride looking like a super fly disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Just go forward, forward, forward. You're good there. Yep, you're good there. That's fine. Just follow my lead. Just go right. Yeah, just go straight. Go to your passenger. There. Just let the gravity now.
Like a super fly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco, and we can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Konnichiwa. Or, yeah. We're here at Revolving Sushi. Lunchtime. Look at this. Look at all the revolvers here. That is so cool. All right, pick one. Our robot just came with our order.
With
our
our
water. Sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you. So far, this is what we got. We got some ramen here. We got all our cool sushis from this cool belts of sushis right here.
We can ride, you can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
And we finally had the chance to test out our new carbon fiber seats and our new carbon fiber fenders. And we forgot to turn off the lights. It's all right. Hopefully it didn't drain out that much battery. And we also tested out our new light system. So that's nice.